Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ronan Vico. In this video, I'm going to test for you the Claude Fable 5 against the GPT 5.6 Sun. We already did a video showing the difference between the GPT 5.5 against the Opus 4.8 with the same prompt. So you can watch it, but basically this is the results here. The GPT 5.5 did just one single screen, and the Opus made like all the screens that I asked for. So the idea is to have the same prompt for both LLMs, and using the same effort, I will use the high one. So I will expand these tokens so you can understand which one is better for the Power Apps Canvas development. The data source, it's a simple list with 4 columns, and I will ask for 4 screens: menu screen, a listing screen, create and edit screen, and also, in addition, one screen with polished SVG animations. As simple as that, I will send this prompt right here with the link to my blank app that is already open here, and we will wait until it's done, okay? So I will be back in some seconds. We have the final version here made by Claude Fable 5. It spent like 15 minutes and almost 1,700 credits, so that's a lot. It used 90% of my monthly tokens. And as you can see here, with the context and the simple prompt, this is what we have. This is what we got. When I click new client, it's not working as expected, so the buttons is hidden, and the text also is cutted on the screen, but it is working. When I click at the buttons, I can go to the menu and do some stuff here, but it's not working properly as it should. So I'm not happy with the Fable 5 with this prompt. Of course, I give no context. It was a pretty simple prompt. The idea here is just to check that how smart this LLM is right now. Anyway, let's just move forward. Let me spend the tokens and see what the AI is doing, so you can choose by yourself what you want to use. And I just save it here as Fable 5. Let's move forward. Let's test the ChatGPT Sun 5.6 with high. Okay, now I have this blank app. I will go here at the VS Code again. I will change from Claude Fable 5 to 5.6 Sun, and I will use the high to be fair, the comparison between them. I will hit enter here and wait until it's done again. So here we can see that the GPT 5.6 Sun spent just 500 credits, and the time was like 5 minutes. The final results, let's go for the menu screen here. Okay, not that good, but not that bad also. Let's go to client directory. Okay, it is working. Not okay. There is some issues here. I got it, but let's try to create a new client a little bit better. My name, numbers here, and let me insert like date of birth. Okay, create a client. Some issues here on the object name. Okay, I think the AI misspelled some object names here. Anyway, what I should say here is that both of them are not perfect, but this SVG is actually working, right? This one is working, and of course, the GPT also had some issues when creating a client. But what I can see here, the time that it used like 5 minutes, and the credits that it spent less than a third of the total amount that Anthropic used. So in that case, I think GPT is the winner by far here. I could keep improving it and using the same amount of tokens and credits to get it fixed. So that's my opinion, right? Side by side here, this one is the GPT, this other one is the Fable 5. So let's click new client, new client. We can see here the difference. Let's go to the menu here, goes to the client directory here. Menu, clients directory. As you can see, the layout, a lot of differences. Fable 5 have more issues when we are dealing with layouts. So in this specific video, I will give the win to the GPT Sun. I want to know from you your feedback. What do you want me to test at those LLMs? Should I try to use other prompts? Should I try to do other stuff here at Power Platform? Leave down below your feedback and type the word strawberry so I will know that you watched the video completed. In additional, you can type which LLM are you using in your daily so I can test with other LLM. I'm just testing the latest and most popular releases, but let me know if you want me to test with any other LLMs. The first link at the description, you have a coupon code with a huge discount to the best Power Platform courses, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.